Trucking is tough. Your accounting shouldn't be tougher than the industry. Consistently rated best in trucking accounting software, Q7 was built by industry insiders. No exports to QuickBooks, no extra steps or workarounds, just real trucking accounting. Q7's general ledger is set up out of the box for trucking, but it's fully customizable. Create professional pay settlements, invoices, and payables using items to enhance security and automation. Book a load and it doubles as an invoice. Enter or import fuel card data for IFTA, and you also get your GL postings. No double entry or juggling multiple programs. Accounting is front and center in Q7. Every record has easy-to-find posting history, so you and your accountant always know where the money's going. Payroll tools were built for the trucking industry. Generate driver settlements, direct deposit, and create tax calculations all in one place and without the headache. No need to fuss over end-of-month transactions. Use smart search and filters to make corrections or reconcile with the statement in just a few clicks. Import statements for even faster balancing. From income statements to trucking-specific profitability reports, Q7 gives you the insights you need to let you keep doing what you do best. For 33 years, Frontline's Q7 has helped trucking companies master their finances. Drive your operation forward with trucking accounting software that's built to scale with your business.